Hello students, welcome to News Inshort of Sailed IAS. In this series, our discussion is Uniform Civil Code in Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand Chief Minister announced the implementation of Uniform Civil Code in the state. With this, Uttarakhand became the first state in implementation of Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code. The term Uniform Civil Code is explicitly mentioned in Part 4, Article 44 of the Indian Constitution. Article 44 says that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Uniform Civil Code calls for the formulation and implementation of one uniform law for the entire country. It aims to provide protection to vulnerable sections, including women and religious minorities. This uniform law would be applicable to all religious communities. It will be applicable in matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance of property, adoption, etc. The code will simplify laws that are segregated on the basis of religious beliefs. Origin of Uniform Civil Code. The British government submitted its report on Uniform Civil Code in 1835. The report stressed on the need for uniformity in the codification of Indian law. B.N. Rao Committee to codify Hindu laws was formed in 1941. The 1937 Act was reviewed and the committee recommended a civil code of marriage and succession for Hindus. After discussion, let's practice this question. Article 44 of Indian Constitution come under which of the following? Option A. Fundamental rights. B. Fundamental duties. C. Directive principle of state policy. And D. None of the above. Write the answer in below comment box. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the latest video updation.